Now actually we are showing the video on Kathara mine where Kargali seam is being worked. This is the western sector being worked by MDO. This is the mine contains the seams with very steep gradient and lot of faults, and there is a long haul road, and this is the eastern sector part which is now pit bottom is underwater and shall be worked by colliery. This is the internal OB dam between two mines, main central and eastern sector. So now we are showing the concept of the in-pit crushing and the high angle conveyor for transporting of coal to surface and then carrying coal through overland conveyor to washery. So this is now coal is being discharged onto high angle conveyor. This is the top belt, and both top and bottom belts are sandwiched and the material is in between. This is, we are showing how the snaking is being done between top and bottom belt to hold the material within the belts. So this is the snaking arrangements, and then the coal is taken to the top, and it is being discharged from high angle conveyor onto overland conveyor, and this is the in-pit crusher at the pit bottom. So this is the concept, and this is the proposed layout for Kathara, and this is with the Google we have drawn the layout. So we are showing that how it will come from the mine. Here this is the mine, this is the yellow line, and coming from the mine pit bottom through this yellow line to the pit top, and at this point there will be transfer hopper, and this is the overland conveyor which is taking coal to the crushing part of the washery, and the total route length is something like 620 or 30 meter. So this is how high angle conveyor is going, and then through overland conveyor it is reaching the washery. We have drawn all these things by on Google. This is the contour grid also we have plotted. This is how actually the contour is going from the top. This is the water level. The mine will go further 50 to 60 meter below from the present water level. So this is again coming onto the water and again going up. So this we have drawn to plot the contours. This is the haul road at the surface. This is the the inclination of the haul road, which is very risky. This is the contour we have generated. Now we are showing the present alternative of the dumper transport from the mine. Though this haul road is imaginary because now no dumper is flying, but I think it will be somewhat, we have simulated the situation, it will be something like this. So here at the surface, this is the existing haul road through which the dumper shall move. This yellow line is for the high angle conveyor route, and this is the existing haul road. This is the point where hack is crossing the dumper road. The dumper is going, it is approaching the washery. Now it is entering the washery gate. Then the dumper is carrying coal to the depot near the crusher where it will be crushing. And this is the elevation level and the total route length of the dumper. Now practically this dumper length, it will be increased with the increase of the depth. Now this total distance is something like 2.5 kilometers. So for the hack it is 620 meter, whereas for dumper system it is 2.5 kilometer. So it is almost 1/4. So these are the various economic calculations, evaluations we have done. We have done it in separate report, and this is again another concept we have shown. It is possible to bring the coal from the central sector mine also to the same point, and the entire coal can be transported by overland conveyor. So green is hack from the second mine and yellow is the hack from the eastern sector mine. So this is the entire contour has been again taken to Google. This is the eastern sector mine, this is the high angle slope. Thank you.